Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to you all for the love and support in my previous video. The love was so overwhelming. Thank you for all those who subscribe. We have gotten some new subscribers here and there, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much to the new subscribers that have joined the family. Thank you to everyone that watched my video. So as you did for the previous video, I need you to like this video, comment on it, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, share my videos. It would mean a lot to me. Support your girl. Okay, thank you. For this channel, what I have decided to be doing is to always share the things I love doing, the things I believe in, the things that have been helping me so far with you guys, and hope that it will also be as beneficial to you as they are to me. One thing that I am very passionate about is budgeting. I'm interested in the world of finance, properly managing my money and making sure that I'm always on top of my game when it comes to my money. What I've decided to do is to show you some of the things I do when it comes to budgeting my money, the app I use, how I go about it. That has helped me so far, and I also hope that as you get to know it, it will also help you manage your finances very well. So budgeting, as we were taught in school, as we know, is a financial plan that helps you to allocate future income towards your expenses, your savings, or even a debt that you have to pay. Budgeting, as we all know, comes with a number of benefits. One, it helps you stay on top of your finances. It helps you develop a disciplinary attitude towards expenses. And it also helps you to always be consistent when it comes to savings and know where your money is going to. In this video, I'll be showing you how I budget my money monthly, when I get my salary, how I divide my money into various categories, and how I'm able to track my expenses. There's an app I use called My Budget on iOS for those who use iOS, and for my Android users, there's an app called, I think it's Expense Tracker. One work colleague of mine recommended that to me, and it has been really useful so far. So let's look into how I budget my finances. Hello guys, so this is how the app looks like, my budget. So what it does is that it has 3 categories. It has the budget, it has the transactions, the categories, and the settings. So assume you are expecting your pay next month, which is in August. You want to budget for August even before it arrives, or you get your salary, so that you will always be on top of your game. So for August, assuming that I am paid 2,000 a month, what I need to do is I would input my future expenses or my projections. What I love about this app too is that it helps you. It has so many categories. It comes with its own categories, but then it gives you the added advantage of including your own categories. So for August, you input your expenses here, the plus sign, and then you go to categories. You select tithe, and then if your tithe, 10% of your salary, which we assume to be 2,000, is 200, and then you indicate the start date and the end date. So this is your budget for tithe. You move on to other things, is savings. Your budget for savings may be 400 a month. Indicate the start time and the start date. I keep on saying time. 30 days of September. Okay. So as you can see here, every time you add a budget, the income increases. So you would do this until you get to your 2,000 salary. So now my budget is summed up to my salary. And so now I'll go to expenses anytime. I go to transaction anytime I make an expense. I would input it using the plus sign. The date will be indicated, but you have to indicate the category. So if it was my savings that I paid off, I'll indicate savings. I would indicate the amount I saved, which was 400. So I'll go back to my budget and it would be indicated that my savings has all been used up, it is 100%. Or you can input it directly from the budget. For offering, go to offering, say I went to church this Sunday and then my offering was 200 cedis. 20 cedis. So I input it, and then the percentage of my offering I have used would be indicated, and how much of my offering is left would also be indicated. So this is basically a simple way to track your finances and budget properly and make sure you are always on top of your game. You know where your money is going to. This also help you know what you are spending most of your money on. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. I know it was very short, but I hope you have taken something out of it. And now you are going to pay more attention when it comes to budgeting in the right way, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and making sure you are always on top of your game. I know I have repeated this phrase, on top of your game, several times, but it is very important to be on top of your game when it comes to your finances. Okay, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, don't forget to like it, share it, comment down below. What did you learn from this video? How has it helped you? What are the changes you are going to make going forward? And let me know. Thank you so much for your time and enjoy your day. Bye.